Okay. Defining the cross product in terms of I, J, and K vectors. Okay? Now the cross product is one of these things that, unlike other things you get in like linear algebra and other places in multivariable calculus, it only works in 3 dimensions. Only valid in 3 dimensions, but since we live in 3-dimensional space, you can understand that it might be very useful, and it is. Most of physics you can't understand without cross products. Okay? So, x direction, y direction, z direction. So your I vector, your j vector, your k vector. If I put my fingers in the direction of I so that I can cross it toward j, I get a thumb pointing in the k direction. So that I cross j is k. What's I cross k? Well, there's I, there's k. If I put my fingers in the direction of I and orient my hand so that I can turn it toward k, I get negative j, don't I? Does that make sense? So we'll do this for every possible product except, of course, okay, j cross I. Okay? There's j, there's I. Put my fingers in the direction of j, and if I have it like this, I can't, my hand doesn't go toward I, does it? Okay, it means it's going to get uncomfortable because I got to turn my hand around like this so that my fingers turn toward I, right? And when I do, my thumb is in the negative k direction. So we get negative k. J cross j, well, you can't turn j toward j. That gives you the 0 vector, okay? And j cross k. Tell me what j cross k is. Use your fingers. What did you just say? Did you sigh like, ah? No, you said I, didn't you? Okay. That's I, yes. Yeah. J, K. J cross K is I. Getting the idea? Okay. What's K cross I?
Yeah.
It's what?
Negative K.
Yeah. You agree?
I think it's positive j.
I think it's positive j. Fingers in the direction of k and you turn toward I, there's j. Note also, k cross I and I cross k are equal and opposite, right? And that's the case for every pair, so that the cross product is commutative. Okay? It is anti-commutative. You know, cross product, if you reverse, you get the negative. Okay, well, k cross j. Now we suspect, since j cross k, wherever the heck it is I, that k cross j, if what I said, is going to be negative k, negative I. Okay? J cross k is I, so k cross j should be negative I, right? Well, let's just check it out. There's k. Okay? And there's j, and there's negative I. Okay? And of course, k cross k is 0. Make sense? So now, let's use these to do V2 cross V1. Now there's shorthand for using this table, but this is the basis, at least as far the way I've chosen to introduce it. Okay, there are many ways you can do this. Okay, so V2 is 0.1 I minus J. And we're crossing that with, I'm sorry, there's no J because it's gone in the J direction, 0.32 K. And we're crossing that with, and it's negative 0.1 I. Okay, negative, did I write the negative? Yeah, I did. Negative 0.1 J minus 0.02 K. right? Now, distributive law works. So work it out.